Not only did they steal half our performance, they also stole our line dancing from the cave. But we share. Sharing is scary. Don't give them back. Kapai. Well, your fellas are all full, obviously. Everybody's had a good kite. The white baked sandwiches out there are really, really nice. Highly illegal, but really nice. Being sold by Te Whānau Tire straight out of Paraparaparaua. But if you eat them fast, then there's no evidence. Alright? Well, I'm talking, hopefully, who's next? Te whānau Hikirukutai, Te whānau Harawaka getting ready at the back there. No, don't cheer. You're supposed to be getting ready at the back there. There they go. Look, look. There they go. There they go. There, look. Mr. Bus. Shady Hokamo, Mr. Bus.